All right, everybody. Today what we have for our homework is a whole bunch of different parts. So let's go through some of them and we'll get started. So over here we have to correct our answers, and we have three different answers. We have Mr. Tom White, and it's written three different ways. We know certain rules with Mr., Mrs., Ms., and Miss. So we know which ones should have periods, which ones shouldn't have periods. We know their whole name needs capital. So that is how you're going to do the first part. So if we look at this part, we see we need to have Mr., Tom White, all capital. But we also need a period after Mr. So we know it is this one because look, it's capital, capital, capital with a period. Next one, we have part 2. We are fixing this. We have 2 nouns and 1 verb. So I look for grasshoppers hop high off the ground. I'm looking for my nouns. So I know my grasshopper is a noun and the ground is a noun. But what I do have to do on top of that is I have to circle my common nouns and square my proper nouns. But I don't see any names of any things, so I can just circle grasshoppers. I can circle the ground, and then I need to write a squiggle for my verb underneath the action, and I can hop, so I know hop is my verb. So that's how you're going to do that. But if you see a proper noun, you're going to make sure you box around it. All right. Number 3, I'm going to have you guys do these on your own. I don't want to fix these for you. You guys are going to correct them. Look for capitals. Look for names of things you need a capital. I want you to make sure you put punctuations on the end of it as well. For this one, make sure you fix that date. That's going to trick you. Backside, we have a whole bunch of words. You guys are going to use the rules that we have learned to make them plural. I'll give you a clue for the first one. For shelf, remember, for shelf, we can have the F, but we need to change it to a V-E-S. So it's shelves, shelves. So if you see the elf, it's going to be doing the same thing. Or wife. Okay. Then some of them, like child, they're irregular, so they turn into a new word. So go through these. Make sure you take your time. Think about all the rules. Let's give you one more clue. So the words, I'll give you another clue. With the CH, the SH, there's another one, the X, those are going to have ESs. So I'll give you an example. We have church is. So if you see that you see that digraph right here on the end, that's going to be the ES. Okay. Well, next part. You're going to use am, are, is. So you could say he am happy at the party today, he are at the party today, or he is at the party today. We know he is at the party. Okay, you're going to do that for the rest. Last, we have was and were. You're going to fill in the blanks. She was happy she rode the bus yesterday, or she were happy she rode the bus. She was happy. All right, you're going to go through the rest of those. So that's your homework tonight. Good luck, everybody.